What's going on? Happy Monday to y'all out there. Yes, yes, I messed up. Let me explain to you guys what I did and what I always preach against doing. I did it myself. I make mistakes. I am human. This is the Money Cube channel. What I say is my own personal opinion and my journey. If you choose to invest, do so after doing your own research and invest only what you can afford. All right. So let me show y'all what happened. Now, as y'all know, I swing trade and I trade AMC, I trade GameStop, I trade several stocks, blue chip, what I call blue chip stocks, and some smaller companies. So let me get out of this and show y'all what happened today. All right, so here we go. As you can see, AMC Entertainment is down 0.94% today. It had a lot of swings. So as you can see, it dipped early this morning, about 6%, and then it went back up about 6%, came down, came all the way down here, and then it went back up about 5%. So people that were out there day trading could, if they timed it right, they could do or could have done pretty well today. But let me take y'all back to the last couple of days. Here's what I did. All right, so on Friday afternoon, I bought $50 of a fractional share of AMC. And then fast forward to this morning, 8:30, I purchased another $100. So that put me roughly at about 4 or 5 shares, something like that. All right, so we go through the course of today. Let's go back to the daily chart. So we come through today, and I'm not going to say I wasn't paying attention, but I wasn't watching close enough. I knew I wanted to get some more shares this afternoon before the market closed. So, but my dumb self waited until I waited until 258, which is after it made its little gain right here towards the end, and I put in another $100. So hindsight, what I should have done was I should have bought in either right here at the 9:05 a.m. roughly in that area, or I should have bought in this little dip right here around 2 o'clock. But all is not lost. I mean, I haven't lost anything. It's just that this play is going to have to work a little bit harder to make a gain. If I had bought it here, I would have been in a better position to gain more quickly, which, as y'all, when y'all watch my other videos, you notice when I buy the dip and I share my journey with y'all and show you how I buy the dip and a dollar cost average with the intention of my play not having to work as hard when it recovers and goes back into the positive. So this right here is what you don't want to do. You don't want to wait till it's at one of the peaks and invest more into it. You want to buy into it when it's at one of these dips or close to one of the. It doesn't have to be right at the bottom point, but it should be somewhere in here. Like when you see that dip happen and you see it starting to go back up, and you're at that support level, that's around the area where you want to put in an additional amount if you choose to do so. That's what I typically do. So I'm gonna follow up with y'all later on this week and let y'all know what happened, because I think possibly in the overnight hours, early morning hours tomorrow, AMC could make a run. It could make a 12%, 14% run, which it tends to do that about once every 7 to 10 days. It'll make a run, and like last week it went on a run a couple of times, a big run. So all is not lost on it. and it may not be a bad thing that happened, but I kind of I went against the grain right there. So but that's what I wanted to show y'all. I just kind of wanted to share the good, bad, and ugly. When I do something foolish, I'll share that with y'all as well. And so it happened today because I wasn't paying close enough attention. Let's come out of here And let's look at, I did pick up some Wayfair, as you can see here, right when the market closed. Now on the flip side, I did do it correctly here with Wayfair. I waited until it dipped at the end of the day and I put in $200. So, and as you can see, I bought it at that support level right there, around $68. So I did that correctly. And that, as far as it's in line with the strategy that I use when I buy the dip. So those are the two contrasting ways: the correct way I do it, and then the incorrect way that I do that. And so I don't want to keep this video long. This is Cash App Investing on the Money Cube channel, and y'all stay tuned. I will be just so y'all know, I'm gonna kind of spread the channel out a little bit, and what I mean by that, I'm gonna do some financial tips, or give some financial tips in the form of videos. And so what I'll do is I'll create like a playlist for that stuff. It will be part of the channel, but I will create a playlist, but I will continue doing these stock videos, the stock and crypto videos as well, because that is the foundation of this channel. I will never venture away from that. And if y'all have any questions or any topics that y'all would like me to discuss, please jot those down in the comments. And here pretty soon I may start doing some live content on here. Not sure yet about that, but I will be, you will be seeing a little bit more of me, because I have at the moment some more time on my hands to create more content on this channel. And I greatly appreciate you guys for checking out everything that I do on here. And y'all have a wonderful evening, and I'll be talking with y'all tomorrow.